Hey, happy weekend to everyone. I'm back at my campus, the Eden Gardens, the glorious, elegant, cognizant campus in Chennai. So happy to be back. Yeah, I have to remove my mask, right? Just to share my reflections for this week. I'm so glad that I'm doing this from my beautiful campus here. This campus brings me so much of memories. I can share a lot of good memories in the last 3 years. But what I'm going to share today is about what I went through before joining Cognizant during the interview process. I can say I had an unknown fear or a fear of unknown because when you come to such a humongous organization from a smaller organization, you have so many questions in you, right? Whether you would be able to thrive in this organization. When you are in a smaller organization, whatever you do every day and you do well or you excel, you're visible to everyone. But when you're coming into an organization with 300 plus thousand employees, and then will you be able to excel? Will you be able to compete? Will you be able to satisfy expectations of your leadership? Should I stay where I am, continue to do the physical security job, which I know well, or come into a project which is very unique, build out something very new, which I've never done in my career? Should I do that? Or should I be in my safe zone? How will I win my peers? How will I win my colleagues? How will I build this project? How will I recruit people who would be suitable for this organization, for this team, for this business? Lots and lots of fear of unknown was literally traumatizing me. Few peers of me, seniors that I respect, told me not to go to Cognizant. They said, John, you're doing good where you are. Why do you take the risk? But I decided if I'm not going to do this now, at this age, at this phase of my career, I'll never do this. I wanted to go and test myself, right? I decided to go. I let go of my fear of unknown. You need to be very careful about these fear that you don't know. This can paralyze you, this can stagnate you. The fear of unknown will show you the hurdles that you definitely can cross as mountains you cannot climb. So please let go. Let go of yourself from the fear of unknown. Take that risk. Take that leap of faith. For sure it will work out. The way this organization has embraced me, the way the leadership has given me an environment to thrive every day, the way they have challenged me, the constructive feedbacks literally every day has helped me to grow as a person, a professional, as a leader. The way my team challenges me every day, the way they love me. Thank God I let go of my fear of unknown and came here. It's been a beautiful 3 years. I think many of you are holding those fears in you and not taking that step, one step outside your comfort zone. Just go. Miracles are waiting outside that comfort zone. I know many of us go through this fear of unknown, right? Either in the decisions of our career, decisions on our academical journey, relationships, financial commitments. Just please let go. Seize opportunities, seize skills. Just know this, the biggest risk in life is the risk that you don't take. So get out of your comfort zone, don't play safe. There are miracles waiting outside for you. God bless you. I'm really excited and super happy to record this weekend podcast at my beautiful campus. Speak to you next week. We'll all come back to the campus because we are thriving against all these challenges and odds against us. Be safe, be cautious, take care. Bye bye.